Hi there, y'all. It's Cletus Ray Cletus again, coming to you down here in Bend Fork, Alabama, where Cletus Ray Cletus is opening up his own exclusive business. I'm opening up my own whitewater rafting school, where you can come down and learn to whitewater raft with a bunch of men to teach you. That's right. Make sure that you bring a right pretty smile, though. We don't like no gloomy gusses. And say, feel free to bring the kids, too. We'll sing songs like Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm, he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. Come on down to Cletus Ray Cletus's whitewater rafting school, where we'll teach you to squeal like a pig. Whitewater rafting school.